Hey guys, it's Marco here and welcome back to our Sunbeam restoration series. In the last video you saw us weld the floor in. Section, which is where it's meant to be. It's all straight, it's all perfect. Now that would complete. What we did is we welded a seal on. So that's the seal that we've made in the previous video. So that's been welded on and that's perfectly straight and complete. Also, we've completed the A post. We had to rebuild this bottom section and the inner section. Welded and complete now. So this section, seal section, floor is done. Now in the upcoming videos, what we'll do is weld in the inner arch, the inner quarter, and the outer quarter. Now this quarter needed a lot of work. just replaced all these sections because of all the corrosion that's built up over the years around the seams. Also removed and cleaned the rust underneath there, primed them and welded them back in place. So this panel is ready now to install into the vehicle. This bottom section here got replaced because that's the bottom of the seal and that's a water trap. What tends to happen is water comes down here, down this channel, and just gathers up in the door hinge support. So these are the reinforcements for the door hinges. That's what stabilizes the A-post. So yeah, they tend to rot around behind here. So all of that section's been replaced and the bottom section's been replaced. Again, there's nowhere for the water to go once it gets in here. So it just builds up in here and then it just rots from the inside out. So all this section here has been replaced. So what we have here is the inner flitch of the Sunbeam. These are the original panels. These were the two panels that spot welded together. The floor section and the inner flitch section. As you can see, what they used to do is they used to bang the seam down. So when you put bigger wheels, the wheels don't hit this panel. And what tends to happen is water and dirt gets trapped behind here and they start to rot. So what we've done, we've actually modified this so we still have the clearance for the wheels. This is our panel. As you can see, what we've done is we've spot welded it, so it's got the original spot welds, but we've trimmed it down and we've seam welded the edge. Instead of bending it over, we just welded it. So it's one continuous piece, and now there won't be any chance of any water and dirt getting trapped behind here, and it will stop it from rusting. Been seam welded all the way along here.